Julie's World vlog. So this week is pretty good. I laughed out loud a couple times when I was editing the vlog. Steve driving the truck and checking every bridge, the height of the bridge to make sure he was going to fit was kind of hilarious. But there's lots of fun as always, and I hope you laugh too at our adventures. Thanks so much. So Steve picked me and Mom up at the airport, and Mom thinks that we don't have enough bags because we only have 6 bags for the 2 of us. So I just got home from my trip, and Steve showed me this box of snacks that got delivered from MunchPak, and he couldn't help himself, so he ate this, and he even left a note about how he felt about it. What is it? It's chips, right?
Yeah, barbecue chips.
What man doesn't like barbecue chips? Anyway, so now we're going to look in the box and see what I want to eat. Okay, so fudge, soft and delicate. Milk cream fudge. I've never heard of any of this stuff.
Yeah.
Habanero and cucumber tortilla chips.
That's all you. You can have that one.
You don't like spicy things anyway. I was going to say, okay, energy drink, organic energy drink, cherry juice. What is organic caffeine? I mean, isn't all caffeine
found in probably organic plants, I would guess.
Ooh, sour smog balls. I always like Sour Patch Kids. And
Those
stuff.
are all yours. I know that.
You're not a sour person.
Yeah, I don't like sour stuff.
Creams, cold. I feel like you would eat these orange cookies.
Orange,
you love
orange cream.
flavored things.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Osmo Hoppo. What? Crunchy cookies with pirate-themed illustrations and packed with chocolate cream.
They're from Turkey, right?
Oh,
they don't have turkey in it.
That would be awesome if they had turkey in them. Okay,
yeah.
Let's see.
That's
what else is in here? Today, Goldie's black and white. Oh, it's cake. Black and white cake.
Yeah, I'll have that.
Soft cocoa sponge cake packed with sweet milk cream. Again, I don't think it has
also
turkey
from
in
Turkey.
it. But that would be funny. I like turkey, I'm just saying. I think it's interesting that it says where it's from every single time. What language is this?
Word, South Korea.
Oh, so must be Korean. There you go. This seems like you. Juicy grape flavor. Okay, so I'm going to eat that. Hey, ices like you get at the movie theater.
Sour cherry.
You're not a sour person.
Oh, you.
So
Mexico.
I like those too.
Mexico.
And this, Cha-Cha, is that a drawing? I don't know.
Those are potato crackers.
From China. Maybe it's writing. I don't know. Brown sugar and ginger. I kind of want to try these brown sugar and ginger flavored crackers. Interesting. So we have chosen as our item to try together the crackers, the potato crackers that are extra crunchy, theoretically.
They smell like chocolate.
They smell like chocolate? Okay. They don't smell like chocolate to me. They don't even have chocolate. What do you think?
I like them.
You know, they really do taste like ginger. I think my mom would like these. They have her kind of flavoring, right? Okay, that one's good. I'm excited for the rest. It is 4:30 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning, 4:30. And the lamp is hurting my eyes. We are voluntarily getting up this early because we are going to Brimfield, this huge antique fair. Blah. So like I said, we're headed to Brimfield. The goal is to get there. The field's open at dawn, so sunrise. So we're trying to make it out there by sunrise. We've got maybe another hour in the car. Steve's just gassing things up. The hottest, sweatiest day ever. We have the haul tray in the car, but we had to rent a U-Haul, which we're going to go pick up because we bought one item that's too large to fit in the car or even on top of it. So I slept for 13 and a half hours or 14 hours or something like that. I guess I really needed it after yesterday in the heat. And my body hurts. Like, I mean, I know we walked like 20,000 steps and everything, but I think it was the rocky terrain, the heat. I mean, the heat was unrelenting. It was in the 90s, very humid. You're in open field. The sun is beating down. There's no shade. There's no water. There's no nothing. I mean, you can buy water, but it's like $3 a bottle, and you can't refill the bottle because there's no bathrooms. There's porta potties. And, you know, it was just really warm for September. Sun overhead. Killing me. But we have to go back today. Today we are going back because we have to pick up the huge mantelpiece that we bought, which I am excited about but also nervous about because I have no upper body strength. And poor Steve is going to have to depend on me to actually lift my end for real of this giant wood and glass thing. So fingers crossed we make it. Fingers crossed.
Like that to not happen if possible.
So we were discussing the clearance on this and that we should not go under any low bridges. We're in this giant...
9 feet.
We're in this giant truck thing, and I'm very excited to see what happens on the highway. No sudden moves.
14-2. Well within range.
Steve was a super trooper about driving the truck. He was not super excited about it. At one point, we were down a little side street, and this other truck started coming near us, and he just yells, "No!" Came from a deep visceral place. Did you like driving the truck, Steve?
I parked it like I'm from Massachusetts for sure.
That means he parked in 2 spots, which he did. Oh man, so we managed to get this beast in here, and eventually it will get built into the house to replace this. So Steve, you're going to your first day of school.
We're all excited.
Do you feel, should I make you hold a little letter board that says Steve's first day of school?
All right.
Really? You do it?
No.
Oh, I got really excited for no reason then. Okay, well, this is Steve's first day of school. He's going back to college. How does it feel?
Pretty silly at the moment.
He maybe feels pretty silly, but I feel pretty proud. I think it's very brave to go back to school, and I'm excited for him. I am really hoping that all of this rain is going to mean that the humidity is going to go away.
So go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain.
Nature always has the best color combinations. Look at that, purple and green and orange. The splash of yellow. Mom and I are making, these are going to be microwave s'mores. So basically you take one of these chocolate biscuits. So obviously it's chocolate on top of biscuits. So that's kind of like a graham cracker with a chocolate, right? Then you just take a marshmallow, you put it on. You don't need a campfire because we're just putting them in the microwave for 20 seconds. And the marshmallow gets all like big and puffy. Show them your big old marshmallow, Mom. So there you go. The marshmallow gets super big and puffy, and the chocolate gets melty, and it's like you get to have a s'more without a campfire. Should we watch her shove this in her mouth?
No.
Okay.
Off. So long.
So Mom and I just did mani-pedi, although she only did pedi because she doesn't like a mani. But I am ready for HSN next week. Maybe, I think, I hope. I'm a little bit nervous. I have the Today Special on September 11th, and so I'm going to be doing so much, and I have no idea how it's going to go. Ooh, we'll see. But at least my nails are ready. We're headed to the game. We're ready. We are super early. The stadium has just opened. It's completely empty.
Gilette Stadium. Pats, Houston, first opening game.
perfect weather. And what was the best part, Mom?
Patriots won.
Yeah, Pats won, and we screamed our faces off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.